Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall PayPal Smart Buttons from Checkout UI step by step clearly. To uninstall PayPal Smart Buttons from your Checkout UI, start by logging into your website's admin dashboard. Navigate to the Settings or Configurations section related to payment options. Locate the area where your payment integrations are listed. Find the PayPal Smart Buttons integration. Click on the option to edit or configure this integration. Look for an option to disable or remove the smart buttons from your Checkout UI. If prompted, confirm your choice to uninstall or deactivate the PayPal Smart Buttons. After saving the changes, proceed to test your checkout process. Open your website in an incognito window to ensure no cached data affects the testing. Initiate a mock transaction to check if the PayPal Smart Buttons are no longer visible. If the buttons are still present, clear your website cache and try again. If the buttons continue to appear, return to your admin dashboard and check for any additional settings related to payment methods. Make sure all scripts or code snippets related to PayPal Smart Buttons are also removed from your site. Consult your website's documentation or support if you encounter any difficulties. Once you've confirmed the buttons are removed, your Checkout UI should now function without PayPal Smart Buttons. Review the entire checkout process to ensure a seamless user experience. You have now successfully uninstalled PayPal Smart Buttons from your Checkout UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.